When the world pushes you to your knees, you're in the perfect position to pray, Rumi. Indeed, Allah is with those who fear Him and those who are doers of good. Quran 16-128. Do not lose hope, nor be sad. Quran 3-139. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Quran 2-286. The best of you are those who are best to others. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Verily, with hardship, there is relief. Quran 94-6. Do not let your difficulties fill you with anxiety. After all, it is only in the darkest nights that stars shine more brilliantly. Imam Ali Are. The most beloved deed to Allah is the most regular and constant, even though it were little. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The strong person is not the one who can physically overpower others, but the one who controls themselves in anger. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The richest of the rich is the one who is not a prisoner to greed. Ali ibn Abi Talib Are. He who wishes to enter paradise must please his father and mother. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Your true friends are those who advise you sincerely, not those who follow you blindly. Ali ibn Abi Talib Are. When you see a person who has been given more than you in money and beauty, look to those who have been given less. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The best of people is one from whom good accrues to humanity. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The strongest among you is the one who controls his anger. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The best jihad struggle is to speak the truth in front of a tyrant ruler. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Whoever is not grateful for small blessings cannot be grateful for big blessings. Ali ibn Abi Talib Are. Today, as I conclude, let us remember that our strength lies not in our differences, but in our unity. It's in the compassion we show, the hands we extend in friendship, and the hearts that beat as one community. Let's carry forth the values of kindness, justice, and solidarity in our actions. As we move forward, may our aspirations unite us, our diversity enrich us, and our shared humanity guide us towards a world of peace and harmony. In our collective journey, let us be the beacons of hope, spreading light and positivity wherever we go. Together, let's strive for a better future, not just for ourselves, but for generations to come. Thank you all for your time, your attention, and your dedication to making a difference. Let's continue to work hand in hand, knowing that each of us plays an integral role in shaping a world filled with compassion, understanding, and boundless possibilities. Thank you.